What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Random. And I'm trying my best right now. I'm trying my best, guys, to focus on the grill. This is actually a serious topic here. You guys did read the video correctly. I have some good news and I have some bad news. You guys will find out. It will all be clear to you guys in just a second. Pardon the shaking of the camera. I am balancing on my heels. My fat ass can't hold this for too long. First, I will start you guys off with the good news. There's actually four good news. There's four good news. But I will start you off with the first one, and that is I finally got a grill emblem for my Crown Victoria. Now, like I told you guys time and time again, I'm not trying to fully clone a Mercury Marauder. I simply just wanted the front clip look, which I think is totally badass, by the way. But the rest is a Crown Victoria. It just has the fog lights of a Marauder, and it has, the fog lights, and it has the headlights in the front and everything, but it's not a Marauder. Nowhere on this car does it say Marauder. So I got this. Actually, bam, I got this. You know what? Let me go ahead and plug it in and get the first good news out of the way so you guys can see what it looks like. And bam! Just like that, ladies and gentlemen, you have the world's first ever Crown Victoria with a Mercury Marauder front clip and the freaking Punisher grill emblem. Check that out. I mean, this thing looks absolutely sick. The video does not do it justice, and the best part is that it just fits perfectly. It was like it was literally meant to go on the car. No matter what angle you look at it, it looks freaking badass. All right, so that's the first good news. At the end of the video, I'm doing a little glamour shot with a full back up and all that. I'm just trying not to ruin the bad news yet. Now, we're going to come on over to the second batch of good news. There should be 3 boxes here. You guys are looking at 2. 1 is on its way. I can assure you right now, at this very moment, right now, pretend there is another box right there. One thing all of them have in common is that never before there exist 0 videos of it. Nobody's ever done an installation video on how to install them on a Ford Crown Victoria or Mercury Marauder. These 3 appearance mods. Keep that in mind, they are appearance mods. That's right, nobody has ever done a how to install video on any of them. Okay, now that we got that out of the way, 2 of them, actually this one and the other one that's being shipped, have been done before on a Crown Vic. Just keep in mind, nobody's ever showed you guys how to install it. And like I said, they have been done before. This one right here, this middle one, has never been installed on a Ford Crown Victoria, ever. I've never seen a Crown Victoria with that appearance modification. This will be the first car with one. Keep that in mind. That's gonna be on a separate video. It's gonna be 3 separate videos for you guys. You'll find out why I'm gonna spread out the content in just a second. You know what? Let's get to the bad news. And the bad news is, guys, my Crown Victoria died 3 days ago. That's right, the engine blew on the Crown Vic. It is officially dead where it sits. But like Tupac said, dry your tears, my peeps. But you know why? It's about time I do something to this car that I've been waiting to do for a very long time. You guys have been asking for it, and I think it's the perfect opportunity. It's finally time to do what I should have done a very long time ago. So I'm gonna leave you guys with another shot of that Punisher front grill emblem. I told you. Looks badass, don't it? And keep an eye out for the next set of Crown Victoria videos. They're going to be interesting, to say the least.